This should be a super quick install. All you do is honk the horn, grab this thing, which is like a beast of a spring, slide it on there like that, right? Put this kind of in the position you want it, and you take the junky tool that came with it, tighten this up a little bit here, tight as that's gonna go, and then let's see if it holds the giant phone. And like that.
Ooh, giant phone with a case.
Giant phone, except I have to say vertical kind of obstructs your view. You could turn it sideways like that, which kind of sucks for nav.
Does it go up and down? Up higher maybe?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
But most people don't have phones these large. These are Samsung 23 or 24 Ultras, giant sized. Plus, this just happens to be the way my dashboard lays out. Maybe yours is different. Definitely snaps on really quick. Is definitely holding the giant phone. It's just a question of, is this where you want to have your phone? Buy it now on the TikTok shop. Links below.